Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get more storage on your Motorola device. So at the start, open the settings, then go to the storage and tap on the free up space. Now just go to the storage type and check that you have any unwanted apps. If you see something like that, just delete it. You can also go to the clean and clear all of your junk files. And that was our first method. You can see the trash is empty, but if you have something in the trash, you can also delete it here. That was our first method. And the second method, just buy the SD card if you have slot. If you don't know that you have a SD card slot, you should see it in the SIM shuffle. So just open it, and if you see the place like this one, that means you can install the SD card. So insert the SD card in this place and bring back the shuffle into hole. And now you can see we have a SD card. Sometimes you have to format it before. And now we have 64 gigabytes more storage on our space. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.